How to make money on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make money on crypto.com. Now, the crypto.com application or the crypto.com platform provides users with multiple ways to earn money, including completing missions for diamonds, earning interest on cryptocurrencies, participating in campaigns, and receiving cashback on purchases. There are four major insights on it. Now, crypto.com offers a way to earn diamonds for free by completing missions which can be redeemed for money and other prizes. You can earn by utilizing the earning feature on the application. User can earn interest on different cryptocurrencies such as Kronos, Bitcoin, and USDT, providing a passive income stream while diversifying the holdings. The app offers flexible and fixed investment options, with a fixed option providing higher annual returns based on the chosen term. Participating in the supercharger campaigns on the crypto.com app allows users to earn passive income by staking their Chrome coins and receiving a portion of the earnings in Ethereum. Similarly, one of the ways to make money with the crypto.com application is by utilizing the supercharger feature to earn interest on your Crow holdings. The crypto.com also offers a cashback feature, allowing users to receive a percentage of their purchase amount back in the form of cryptocurrency, potentially reducing the overall cost of the purchases. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.